Alright, next up we have Lil Yachty. Lil Yachty dropped a song called Won't Diss You, which automatically makes me believe this is a diss. Why would you make a song called I Won't Diss You? Man, check it out, man. Lil Yachty, y'all know I'm not really a big fan of Lil Yachty, but recently he's been dropping some fire shit, so let's check it out. Everyone's a little what? Who would wear that? What the fuck? Bro, and he thinks he's tough too because he just threw on a chain on top of it.
It's us. These niggas ain't never had struggles. These niggas ain't never had issues. Cross me with rapping and tissue. Not still going on like I miss you. Won't dish you, nah, won't dish you. Won't dish you, nah, won't dish you. Online, nah, never go dish you. If anything, outside, I miss you. Impressed with get right with you. Impressed with step to your door.
Damn, I would never diss you. I won't diss you. Online, I won't diss you. Matter of fact, I'll say I'll miss you. And then I'll get right with you. Wait, hold up. That kind of low key. That's tough. But at the same time, you're wearing pink shorts, and your homie's wearing a shirt that says everyone's gay or everyone's a little like what's going on? Sounds tough, but then
think outside, I miss you. Impressed with get right with you. Impressed with step to your door. I drive the Rolls Royce like your door. Put that motherfucker inside the law. I love vodka, need it for vote. Me and Twin, we rock like the Stones. I jump off a quarter at Chrome. I fuck up a sack for dome. I never kept up with the Jones. My earrings big as a bone. Me and Twin want the same cologne. Me and Twin fuck these bitches in twos. If it's up, fuck it the fuse. I need head on a blade. Brand new Mercedes, Alpine, bust out the grave. I done got 2 blades, bad bitch blazing. How about them pop at your face? How about them break out the cage? Eat up an X and day. I'm smirking behind the shades. It's that verse for her, she laid. How about them pop out the cage? How about them slide through fade? How about Crisco fade? Slide a color.
Damn, hop out and slop out fade? Like a fade? Like a shot fade? But then also like a fade, like a fight fade?
She laid. How about them pop out the cage? How about them slide through fade? How about Crisco fade? Slide a color straight through the blade. That's Scrappy. I found receipts so the bitch get nasty. Pop it, pop out, go Gretzky. Bitch get cheeky, I guessed it. Ice that new necklace. Ice cross for X's. They week on accident. I fell in love with a Texan. How about them pop out the cage? How about them slide through fade? How about Crisco fade? Slide a color straight through the blade. Bang it out real like the Braves. How about E raise? How about Molly's beige? How about low flight days? You see me, feel me? You cap, you need an Emmy. You got, you did me. You slime past your limits. I can see all your gimmicks. I can tell you're timid. I pop out the Senate. Put a bad bitch in a blender. How about put a bad bitch in a
damn.
Blend.
Put her in a blender?
Blend.
What the
Blend.
fuck?
Blend.
What the
Fun
fuck?
nigga spin. Fun 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 nigga move around.
Hey, shout out to everyone who worked on this video, W video. This song is fire, but it definitely is zesty as hell. Like the video is, the fit is, some of the lyrics you could take as zesty. Yeah, man, but it's another fire song though. As I said, recently, Lil Yachty's been on a run. Another song, man. Won't Diss You. W song.